Hey there, my friend, fellow trader. It's Will here over to FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend and are ready for, hopefully, fingers crossed, another fantastic trading week and month. I know if you're in the Signal service or any of my servers, you will be looking forward to a month like the previous ones. So in this video, my friend, is what I'm going to do again is simply give you your signal of the week. The trade that I'm looking at, which is going to be the highest probability of success and the trade that you'll get for free. Okay, so if you're not already in the private Facebook group, you can click the link below on the YouTube channel here in the description area and head over and request to join the free Facebook Signal Educational group. Okay, alternatively, you can just hit subscribe to the YouTube channel now. Wherever the subscribe button is, I'm sure it's about the screen somewhere. Just click it, hit subscribe so you keep up to date with all my latest videos. So the trade we're going to be looking at this week, the one I'm going to give you absolutely free is, let's have a look. What it's going to be is buy the euro British pound at 0.852, stop loss 0.842, take profit 87.5 and a break even around 86. Okay, so let's have a look at the charts here. We've got the euro, British pound. You can see it's been dropping pretty heavily here. If we look at the higher time frames, we are coming into just need to load an EA on here. Okay, you can see we're coming into this kind of weekly area here. Okay, you can see it's had a couple of bounces here before, so I am expecting this at some point. Looking at price action to bounce here at some point. Again, this week is what I'm looking at here. You can see it's dropped near 800 pips without much of a retracement, coming down into this area here. Okay, so to the bottom of this move. This kind of area here where price is slowly making its way down to. Okay, could pop down a little bit more, but I'm looking at this weekly, daily area here at the start of the weekly. We're getting slow enough momentum coming into this area. See by the price action here, we've had our first initial push lower, our second initial push lower. Now we've got our third one happening now. Okay, so again, slowing enough momentum here, you can see that it's creating like a falling wedge pattern here compared to this huge drop. Price is slowing down. Okay, so if you imagine going towards a traffic light, I always say to my students, you're going 60 miles an hour or kilometers an hour, going a little bit faster, and you see the red light, you automatically start. If you're about 200 yards away from the traffic light, you see the red light, you're starting to slow down. Like the speed of the car slows down. Like this kind of reaction here doesn't you just don't put on the brakes, so you'll be braking a bit hard a couple of hundred yards before the traffic lights. Okay, so you're slowly putting on the brakes. This is happening in the market. Price is slowly putting onto the brakes, coming down into an area of interest. So this is why we're looking at this area here, and to go back up. And if you look at the weekly, daily charts, the opposing area is up here. Okay, we'll be looking to take profit on another area here. Okay. Around 87.5. So that's the take profit target for this, and we're entering at 85,200. Okay, so trade this week. Let's have a wee put a wee screen up. Okay, we are buying DY euro GBP at 0.8052. Stop loss at 0.8042. And take profit is at 0.875. Okay, so that's your trade this week. I'm just going to take a quick snapshot of this for me. Help me. Okay, there we go. So that's the trade of the week. Write that down. Buy Euro GBP. Okay, and you can see we've got around 20 signals this week. Or sorry, 19 signals. And if you want to access the full list, just simply click the link below. It says join now and join the signal list or the copy service, whatever one you want to join. If you want me to do the trading for you, join the copy service. If you want to manually enter the trades, join the signal service. Okay. After all, we guarantee every 90 days you're guaranteed to make 900 pips with our service, or we'll simply refund you your money. Okay. And this is proven, our service is proven. You go over the Facebook group, you'll see the results week in, week out. Okay, we've generated nearly 9,000 pips since June when we actually started the service, which is unreal. Okay, in trading terms, and there's no other service out there like ours, because no other service will actually guarantee you results. Okay, so we guarantee you 900 pips every 90 days or your money back. So if you're not in the service, my friend, click the link below, get involved. If you want to wait another few weeks or a week to test our free signal that we send out every week, go ahead. Just subscribe via the link below. So if any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. Have a fantastic week and happy trading.